The Sephora Accelerate program, to me, is the opportunity for innovative Black founders to work hand in hand with the Sephora team to strengthen their creative brands.
When I found out that I had been accepted into the program, it was life-changing. I was elated.
My name is Nia Wellman, and I'm the founder of Imani Beauty. I've been natural my entire life, so I understand firsthand the frustrations of dry scalp, dandruff, heat damage, moisture loss, and honestly everything in between. Imani Beauty is a hemp-based and wellness-conscious hair care brand designed for textured tresses. From the beginning, especially during the interview process, the Sephora team was extremely helpful by providing my brand with some guided and some honest feedback about our packaging and ways that we can improve. And now that the program has started, I'm just so grateful that we have the opportunity to have seasoned mentors and individuals within the company that are here to really help us throughout this entire process. What I'm most excited for about this program is the opportunity to work with fellow founders and just kind of understand how they've built their brands and how we can both share insight.
My name's Megan Graham, and I am the founder of Reis. Reis is the first and only beauty collection of reusable travel containers made of biodegradable, bio-based material. Every product in our collection is made to be beautiful, leak-proof, reusable, and TSA friendly, and work with the products consumers already know, already love, and already use. The Sephora Accelerate program really helps and supports early stage founders and their businesses to grow and to learn within the first early stages of their companies. As a solo founder and as someone who has a brand in a very young stage, for Sephora to understand our vision, believe in our path to growth was incredibly validating.